Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wildflower, where it's for weird and forgotten drinks, another late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. We've been getting into some newer stuff lately, so I got another vintage book. This one is, I think this was another restaurant style, because this gets into wines and everything else, but it is from the last revised edition, 1945. As you can see, everything's in black and white, so it tells you how far back it was. Glassware of every occasion. I mean, some of these books really come correct with all this stuff, so I can't front on it. But this one is called The How and When, which I get like Cocktail Nation and stuff like that. But so we're doing one called the Whiskey Blossom. But first, I keep reminding you because someone's going to say it, but I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make the drink. All right. So this one's actually stirred, which we've been doing a lot of chicken drinks. So we haven't done a lot of stirred drinks in a while. What's interesting, I was talking to my uncle who was in the Navy back in the 60s, Vietnam era, but he also worked as a bartender for a while, and the cat screaming. And he said everything they did was stirred. So I guess that was before, 70s, 80s, they started getting that fancy shake and stuff. Yeah, let me get some ice in this thing and let's get started. All right, we got some ice in there ready to go. Now this thing says whiskey. I'm gonna use rye. I don't think it really matters. I figured there's pineapple, lemon, and sweet vermouth in it. It's probably gonna be sweet enough without having sweet bourbon in there. But anyway, let's start it. It's 1.5 ounces of whiskey. I don't know if you can see him off camera or not. All right. Now, 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. It says a dash of pineapple. I'm gonna do my trusty little squirter thing here. I'm just going to grab a squirt in there, and then it says a dash of lemon. Do the same thing. I don't know if it will make that big of a difference. Now it says stir. Since I haven't been stirring much, not doing too well on my twist stir. Let's see what we got here. You know what? This is I got one chair left in this thing I need to get rid of. Let's go. What's up, friend? Let's see if I can scab this thing without making a mess. All right. And that, my friends, is a Whiskey Blossom. Let's see what it tastes like. Even though this is just for floats. Yeah, I mean, it sweetens up that whiskey, so it goes down a lot smoother. It's not sweet, like a tiki drink or something. But yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I can enjoy it. It reminds me of a Manhattan, but without that bitter element. Just a little sweeter. In the meantime, y'all know what to do. Cheers.